Azerbaijani Air Force Chief of Staff Lieutenant General Namig Islamzade and his entourage were spotted closely examining a J-10CE fighter jet at the Zhuhai Airshow in southern China. A representative of Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group was observed giving the general a thorough briefing on the J-10CE, which may have included details on its possible capabilities or weaponry. Given that Baku currently uses Chinese-made aircraft, particularly the J-17 Thunderbolt fighter jet, this notion is much more compelling. This most recent development supports the hypothesis that Azerbaijan would want to add more sophisticated Chinese fighter jets to its fleet. Azerbaijan currently operates a fleet of 11 MIG-29s from the Soviet era. These MiG-29s were first purchased from Russia in 1997 as part of the post-Soviet military hardware that was moved to Azerbaijan. When the first shipment of MiG-29s arrived in 1997, it contained 20 for previously owned aircraft that had undergone some sort of upgrade. Azerbaijan got many more MiG-29s that year, the majority of which were updated with new fire control systems and equipment in the 2000s. Throughout the 2010s, Russia kept supplying Azerbaijan new MiG-29s, several of which were upgraded to satisfy the unique needs of the Azerbaijani Air Force. Baku might have to replace its old fleet of MiG-29s with a more sophisticated multi-role jet fighter. Compared to the MiG-29, the J-10CE is a far more sophisticated fighter jet in terms of both technology and operational capability, including the ability to carry weapons. A Chinese multi-role jet fighter created especially for export is the J-10CE. The J-10CE, which is 14.3 meters long, 9.75 meters wide, and 4.8 meters high, is outfitted with cutting-edge avionics and Chinese-made electronics. The aircraft's single WS-1OB turbojet engine can produce up to 12,500 kilograms of thrust at its maximum. The J-10CE has an operational range of 1,850 kilometers when its fuel tank is full, and it can reach a maximum speed of roughly 2,100 kilometers per hour, Mach 1.8. Its wing shape and digital fly-by-wire system, which guarantees exceptional stability and reactivity at high speeds and throughout intricate maneuvers, contribute to its exceptional mobility. The J-10CE performs better than the MiG-29 of the 1990s in a number of crucial areas. Its radar and avionics systems come first. The J-10CE employs the AESA radar, which offers far superior long-range detection, along with enhanced resistance to jamming and electronic countermeasures, whereas the MiG-29 is outfitted with the N019 radar with a passive phased array. This greatly improves the J-10CE's ability to track and detect targets and participate in long-range dogfights. Furthermore, the J-10CE's far more sophisticated flight and weapon control system enables more accurate maneuvers and improves sensor weapon synchronization. With its upgraded WS-1OB engine, which provides stronger thrust and efficiency at high speeds and altitudes, the J-10CE outperforms the MiG-29 in terms of maneuverability and engine performance. The MiG-29's operational range and maneuverability are restricted by its reliance on the RD-33 engine, which has less thrust and uses more fuel. A significant advantage in contemporary air combat is the J-10CE's ability to react swiftly and efficiently to abrupt changes in the battlefield thanks to its more sophisticated digital and hybrid flight control system. When it comes to the range and diversity of weaponry it can carry, the J-10CE outperforms the MIG-29. The J-10CE is capable of carrying long-range PL-15 missiles and precision-guided munitions for air-to-ground operations, whereas the MIG-29 is restricted to short-range missiles and primarily air-to-air warfare. Furthermore, the J-10CE's numerous sensors and self-defense systems, which include IRST and electronic warfare capabilities, offer substantial benefits in terms of threat identification and battlefield protection. Although it doesn't necessarily mean that a choice has been taken, Islamzade's interest in the J-10CE makes sense. However, subsequent video shows the Azerbaijani team meeting with Chengdu officials, indicating that talks might be in progress.